You get a little hungry and you just want to create something with what you have in the refrigerator, like some rolls, buttermilk rolls at that. And this will make 5 big biscuits. And then, of course, we have some chicken left over from yesterday and the spices. Here you can become as creative as you wish. As for me, I like adding a little bit of curry. So, in a baking dish, well greased, with that spray stuff, I am ready to do the cooking. Okay then, so let's go. What we do, we read the instructions on the package and we preheat the oven to 375 degrees, and we will be putting our little creation in the oven and we will bake it for 15 minutes. This is what it looks like when we open the package. So on a cutting board, we place some flour. We don't want things sticking when we don't want things sticking. And then we take each biscuit out. We get a rolling pin and we roll out the biscuit as flat as we can get it. Remember the chicken that we had, the leftover chicken? Then we spice it up really, really good with all the goodies. You know what else I added? I added some barbecue sauce and some curry. That's the beauty of cooking and being creative. So in the oven it went for about 15 minutes. By the way, I used some butter on top of my little, I don't know what to call them. Why don't we call them little make-believe empanadas, huh? That's a good name. And then this is what we have after they were all cooked. And let me tell you something. They were delicious.